In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily get birthday notifications on Facebook app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Facebook app. After that, tap right here to go to menu. Then tap at that gear to go to settings and privacy. And then scroll down until at the section called Preferences you will find Notifications. Here we need to scroll down a bit, and in this list you can easily find this birthdays item. We need to get into it. That's where first off make sure that allow notifications on Facebook turned on, just activate it if it is disabled. And once it is done, down below here you can configure where you would like to receive these notifications. On my device, push notifications are enabled now, which means that now, as long as this option is enabled, I will get all the notifications about my friends' birthdays directly on my device. However, also here we can activate notifications via email and also via SMS. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.